very supported, I have to be honest. I was a little nervous about giving a presentation on our research to experts in our field and to this, expert reactor panel. So I felt very supported by my entire team. It was really nice just that everyone took the time to be there for my presentation and was very supportive of not only the study, but of me presenting my early results to the group. As I was giving my presentation, it's nice to hear feedback from our colleagues, to be able to ask questions and learn from my other colleagues at other institutions. All of the other scholars gave me really positive feedback, as well as some interesting comments on how to spin the results and how to interpret some of the early results that we've shared at the meeting. One of the things I was hoping that this whole project or the whole ABMS Visiting Scholars Program would do for me would be to help build relationship with other scholars. And so one of the other scholars actually has reached out to me, and we're already thinking of ways that we can collaborate on future projects together. It's going to be a great opportunity to actually meet all of the scholars in person and to meet, as you mentioned, a lot of the ABMS leadership as well as the ACGME leadership. All of these organizations are in Chicago, and so having the opportunity to meet face-to-face as opposed to just on a virtual format is really exciting, and I think it's a lot more conducive to conversation and generating new ideas together.